Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and to talk about the smartphone batteries, because we talked about laptop batteries and we talked about how to take care of them. The same rule applies to smartphones and tablets. They are lithium-ion batteries, so what they don't like is getting fully discharged. If you have a smartphone and every day you bring it to zero all the time, you will have a smartphone that will have a battery that will actually go bad much faster than somebody that will charge it when you can. So, for example, my Samsung Galaxy phone, as an example, and I've got actually old Samsung phones that I've been using. Like I've got a Galaxy, one of the old Galaxy S7, and it still has great battery life. And I mean, it's years since I've had it. And the rule is the same. It's simple. It's to, when you use it, if you can charge it, don't be afraid to charge it as soon as you can. Even if it's just 10-15% down, charge it. Keep it, charged. It's fine. Once again, you cannot overcharge phones today. People that think that, once again, comes from the old days of phones that had these nickel cadmium batteries that, yes, could be overcharged because they were always charging. Lithium ion batteries cannot be charged constantly. They will explode. So they have a circuit that actually checks for battery charge, and it stops the charging and keeps it, even if you use your phone, for example, and your battery drains 1 or 2%, you might notice that if you plug it in, it might not even charge. Why? Because the charging circuit will say, nah, it's not enough. So just make sure that you keep you don't discharge them to almost 0% all the time. Do it, charge it when you can. If you have multiple chargers, that's what I have, multiple chargers. If I am doing something and I want to charge it, I can charge it anywhere. And of course, the last thing is heat is a big problem for phones and batteries. If you play a lot of games that actually make the phone come real hot, that could also lower the life expectancy of your battery. So keep in mind that could be the case if you play these games that really take a lot of power off of your phone. But the big rule is really just don't discharge them to zero. That will kill your battery much faster. Charge it anytime you want to charge it. There is no problem there. There's no memory effect on these batteries. And that will actually make your battery last very long. My Galaxy S7 is a great example of that. It's still being used, actually. Somebody else is using it, and it has great battery life still. It's not like new, but it's definitely not bad at all. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.